وَلِلَّهِ الْمَشْرِقُ وَالْمَغْرِبُ فَأَيْنَمَا تُوَلُّوا فَثَمَّ وَجْهُ اللَّهِ. The east and west both belong to Allah. You may be facing any direction. Allah is present in every direction. What does it mean? This subject is not so important as you have taken it to be. Actually, the fixation of Qibla is only for a particular purpose. So that there must be, unanimous, people should be praying in congregation. They should have one direction. There should be discipline. That's all. Otherwise, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not limited to any one direction. He is everywhere. He is omnipresent. Lillahi al-mashriqu wal-maghrib fa'inama tuwallu fasamma wajhullah. All east and all west belong to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wherever you are facing, whichever direction you are facing, that is the direction of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now this actually was the preface